How to change Microsoft Excel file extension. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Microsoft Excel file extension. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial guys, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. On your system, open Microsoft Excel. Now, click on File tab on the left corner of the Excel window, here, and you want to go down and select Options, at the bottom on the left side. Now, click on Save, on the left side panel. Now on the right side where it says, Save Workbooks. Below in front of Save Files in this format, click on drop-down menu. Here, you can see a long list of file formats will appear. Select your desired file format, below click on OK button. This is how you can simply change Microsoft Excel file extension. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.